Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an Optimum account and sign up for internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the official Optimum website. Click on Check Availability or Shop Plans to begin. Step 2. Enter your address or zip code to verify that Optimum service is available in your area and to view plan options. Step 3. Browse the available internet plans and speeds, ranging from basic to fiber gigabit options. Select the plan that best fits your needs and budget. Step 4. Click on Select Plan or Order. Now to proceed with your chosen internet package. Step 5. Create your Optimum account by entering your personal information, including name, email address, phone number, and service address. Step 6. Choose your preferred installation date and time. Optimum offers professional installation or self-installation options depending on your needs. Step 7. Provide your billing information and payment method. Review any promotional offers or discounts available for new customers. Step 8. Review your order summary, including plan details, monthly cost, installation fees, and equipment charges. Agree to the terms of service and complete the registration. Wait for confirmation via email with your account details and installation appointment. Prepare for installation by ensuring access to necessary areas of your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.